Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming crucial metadata so your 360 clip behaves predictably. Check 360 degrees, frame rate, and codec. Then import every file to a fast SSD and keep original folders intact to avoid relink issues. Create a new project set to the equirectangular projection and match the timeline to your footage frame rate. Once done, make a working duplicate sequence and enable proxy files if your machine struggles. This gets you into editing immediately without guessing. You next handle stitching and detailed edits. If footage is unstitched, run your stitcher and correct seams and exposure differences. Otherwise, verify stitch integrity and horizon alignment. Use a VR-enabled viewer in your NLE or dedicated app, and switch to 1/2 proxy playback to maintain responsiveness while trimming and assembling clips. Apply spatial transitions and subtle stabilization using orientation tools so viewer comfort is preserved. And because motion can induce nausea, make changes gradual and purposeful. You finish by exporting with embedded 360 metadata in the equirectangular format, choosing a codec and bitrate suited to your delivery platform. Once exported, test playback on a headset, phone, and desktop browser to verify seams, horizon stability, and spatial audio alignment. If you spot problems, restitch or relink the original media, adjust the metadata flag that marks it as 360, and re-export just the affected section for speed. This targeted loop saves time and ensures a polished final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.